Life isn't easy. It hurts. It's difficult. It's tough to imagine the uncertainties. But you know what? The Almighty is planning so much behind the scenes. He will unfold them when the time is right. Maybe tomorrow, perhaps another day. Be patient. You'll emerge stronger. Ups and downs are part of our daily occurrence. Instead of letting it sour your day, thank the Almighty. Don't fret. He's using every test and every trial to refine you. And He will keep doing it till you pass the test and are ready to move on. So take it in your stride. Some people can't bear to see you having a good life and being blessed. They will want to spoil things for you. Beware such people. They won't hesitate to stab you in your back as well. Learn to be unconditionally happy for those the Almighty has blessed. Your turn will come. Nothing that happens in your life is by accident. The Almighty plans everything to the finest detail. There's a reason behind every incident. Sooner or later, the reason will become apparent. Spend time understanding His plan. You'll feel a lot better about your life. Often when people talk about change, they mean a physical change. Changing how you look doesn't count if you're still carrying on with bad habits, etc. Real change comes from within. It means working on yourself from the inside, starting with your heart. The root of most problems. When someone makes a mistake and then apologizes, accept it and move on. It's a teachable moment for us all. Be magnanimous. There's no need to analyze it and tear the person down. It takes a lot of guts to admit you're wrong. But with the right attitude, you can move on and grow. If you want to criticize others, do so constructively. It's easy to just shoot from the hip and say anything that comes to mind. By doing so, you're dragging the person down. But it takes a mature soul to actually want to correct someone. To see him become a better person. At times, friends and loved ones are the ones who hurt us most. Considering the nature of these relationships, some incidents can leave a deep wound, threatening to uproot friendships and harm family ties. Turn to the Almighty, only He can help you in finding forgiveness for them. The difficult people in your life can be your greatest teacher. Be grateful for the lesson they're teaching you. Those who push your buttons, annoy you with their antics, give you the greatest chance for personal growth. Remember, you don't grow when it's all comfortable and good. Almighty, only You know the trials and tribulations we are facing in this life. Only You know our pain and understand our discomfort. Only You are there for our grief and sorrow. Only You have the power to heal us, grant hope in our hearts and make us feel whole again. Amin.